Randy here with Retire with Options. We're back to our Thursday trade of the week, and I've got the AMD at a 51. It's gonna expire today. It's at a nickel, so I'm just gonna buy it back. And it's off, and so let's go get one for next week. AMD. Let's look at the 10th. Got a 68% chance. I'll go with this one. 51. We will sell it. Just one. Confirm and send. 68 credit. Send. And it's off. So how did it work out on this trade of the week in the last 3 weeks? So the first time I bought it at 55, and it went backwards on me. So I had to buy it back at 137, and we sold it at 166. And let's see. Yeah, so that left me with an $84 profit, and I just bought this back for about $4.50. So we'll do -4 on that, so about $80 profit is what this turned out to be over the last 2 weeks. And $80 into, or actually, what was it? The buying power was going to be $5,100. So 80 divided by 5,100 times 100. So that was a 1.5% return on the money for the last 2 weeks. Not too bad. So we'll see how this goes next Thursday. Like and subscribe if you'd like to keep seeing these, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks, bye.